this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check iPhone photo storage. So basically what you have to do is open up your settings. Once you have opened up your settings, just a moment, go down until you see General, and from General you want to type on iPhone storage. And now you need to let it load up, but here you can see how much your photos are using. So as you can see, photos are using 1.7 gigabytes of documents and data. But that's not the storage you probably want to see. You want to see the real storage. So you need to go back. You want to click on your thingy, the icon where it says your name. Then you want to click on iCloud. And here you can see how much your photos are actually taking off your storage on your phone and on your iCloud. So you have these photos, you will just click on it. As you can see, I have 19 gigabytes of photos that are currently on my iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.